everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use automatic windows on a car. This will be a driving lesson for beginners, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here on this vehicle, which is my 2017 Honda CR-V EXL, I love this vehicle, by the way. On this vehicle, there are two automatic windows. The front two windows are automatic. It is indicated by the words auto that you see right there, not the rear two, but the front two. So how do you use them? Well, very simple, okay? When you use a regular power window, like the rear ones over here, down and up. Very simple, just two positions. When you use automatic windows, you have down and then extended down, and then you have up, and then there's up after that. So I'll demonstrate now. I'm gonna pull it up to the first position, right there, and then if I pull it up further, I'm going up to the second position. Just like that. So there's two clicks for up and then two clicks for down. Here's the first click and the second click right there, okay? Very simple. So here's how to use the automatic windows. If you just want to go up or down without the automatic feature, I'll try and angle this so you can see. I'm gonna go to the first click down or up. So I'm gonna go to the first click down. When I release the button, the window stops, okay? Same thing with up. First click, just like that. Now check this out. I'm gonna go to the second click and it's gonna automatically go down all the way. Look at that. Just like that. I'm gonna go to the second click up and it's gonna go up all the way. Just like that. Check that out. It's like magic. Okay, literally it's like magic. The coolest thing about it is, let's say you auto down and you wanna stop it, you can then just click the first click up. So the first click in the opposite way. So I can auto down it. To stop it, I just like that. So I actually stopped it from going up. So I'm going to auto click up and I'm going to stop it just like that. Auto click down, stop it just like that. So the cool thing is that you can even stop it by going one click in the opposite direction. So if I want to go auto down, I go two clicks down. To stop it, I go one click up just like that. If I want to go auto up, I go two clicks up. To stop it, I go one click down just like that. That's it. I'm going to close the window automatically, okay? That's it. That is how to use automatic windows in a car. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.